The next method is get shipping options. First thing we need to change here is object basket is no longer underscore weight, it's just weight because it's a public property. And then we have this if statement. Basically, we're checking if it's the local shipping. So what we're going to do is cut all this here from within this if statement and create a new method. It's going to be private function is shipping local, and we're going to pass the user as the parameter. And now what we're going to do is return brackets, then semicolon after that, and then we check for this user same address equals 1, and then user country equals local, and then the same obviously for same address equals null, and then ship country equals local. And now inside of this if statement, if I scroll up a little bit, if we move it on one line, and now we can use our new method is shipping local, we're passing the user as parameter, and that's so much clearer obviously. If we now scroll down to our SQL statement and replace the weight with a question mark, then the same for the zone ID here, assignment, same for the next statement, and the third one, zone equals question mark and weight equals question mark. And if we scroll down now, for local rather than 1, it's also question mark, and the same for the active. Now if we go for the return statement, underscore db equals fetch all SQL and then array of the values, and these are, we're going first for weight, then we had zone ID, then we had another zone ID and another, then was weight again, and then 1 and 1. And if we now scroll down to the else statement, and similar thing, first of all the weight question mark, then country ID replacing with the question mark as well, same for the other statement, country ID now becomes a question mark, same for the third one, question mark for country and for the weight. And if we scroll down, for the local rather than 0 question mark, and for the active the same. Now return this underscore db, and it's going to be fetch all SQL comma array, and to the array we are passing weight as the first parameter, then country ID, then another country ID and another one, and then we have weight again, and then 0 and 1. And then after the if statement, we simply return null. And that's everything in this get shipping options method.